this will be more of a vlog style video because I'm trying out some different content, and please just comment if you like this style or if you would like to see more of my usual content. Because today I have a little, not a makeover, but a vlog style about the flat, about my apartment, because I moved not long ago and there are quite a lot of things that I still have to do, like the pictures you see on my background recently. I'm going to do them in this video. So yeah, and some little minor things. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. And oh, by the way, this is my walk-in wardrobe. Actually, it was a storage room and I converted it into a little walk-in closet. I will also post a video about the storage room and how we installed everything and stuff like that. But this is not ready yet, so I still have to cut that. So let's first, yeah, I will show you the picture. So these are the artboards. They're pretty huge and I have 3 of them. They are 40 per 120 centimeters, so they're quite large. You see my chair next to them, so it will look nicely, hopefully. So I got these cups in here and a lot of acrylic paint, like you can see here, all in like similar colors, and my 3 nice canvases. And I put everything under it so it doesn't get messy, too messy, and my floor stays nice and pretty. So you want to have a pouring solutions like those. I got, focus. I have 2 different ones because I want to find out which one is better. So I got 2 different ones. You want to have some acrylic paint. Like in here, it's quite difficult to hold them. Look how pretty the color is. And some cups, some shot cups to measure it, and some popsicles. They are somewhere in here. And basically you want to mix the mixture in half-half. So I got these little shot glasses so I can like measure it correctly. So this is how it turned out and I'm very satisfied with it. I will show it to you up close now so you can see, yeah, so you can have a better look. So this is the picture, and I used a technique, it's called pouring. Not everywhere, but for example in here I had the acrylic pouring. Then here again, so basically you pour it, or I will probably have inserted a clip, but here is it as well. Look at the structure. I think it's so beautiful. And this here, these are golden leaves. Show it to you in here. This is like that. And basically you glue it in, glued it with nail polish. So yeah, it's so beautiful. Here pouring as well. I mean, look at the colors. Here the acrylic paint is very like copper, goldeny. So here's like golden, copper, like here's a mix of pink and copper. So I'm really satisfied. I want to add some more golden leaves, but yeah, I haven't had the time for that. But for now I'm really happy with it. And it's really great for the background. So yeah. I got another canvas, seen here, from a store called Action or Aktion, a store from the Netherlands. And yes, I got a new canvas. It's the same size as this one, but only one. And I will probably also will film it, but probably only in the next vlog. So you have something to look forward to if you like vlogs. My washing machine arrived, and I will show you. It's like a very tiny washing machine because I don't have any space, and I yeah, wanted a very small one. And this is like a portable washing machine. It's pretty cool. I will show you. I watched many tutorials on YouTube about that. So if you would open my home or my main YouTube section, it's full of reviews of a washing machine and people doing laundry. So yeah. This is the washing machine. Don't worry, it's not really heavy because it's like a portable washing machine. And some scissors. Okay, I didn't need to cut it. Anyway, you didn't need to cut it, but okay. Oh, that's it. It's so tiny. Let's move it. Look how tiny it is. Like it fits perfectly. You can like easily close the door. Really nice. My table just arrived. And before I assemble everything, I want to show you something, because the table has these wooden legs and this doesn't necessarily fit into my aesthetic, because I want to go more into the Art Deco vibe, the Gatsby 20s, something like that. So I got golden, like how to call it, like sticky tape, and I'm going to stick them over and then I will assemble it. So I'm going to measure it and then I will just cut it and I will have pretty golden legs. So today I'm going to do like little minor work. Like you can see here, there are like some like little spots I want to cover. These tiny little details that bothers me, but they're quickly fixed. So I'm just taking some acrylic paint and I'm just going to paint it over so it looks nice and neat. To be honest, I really find this little tiny makeup spots to polish up the flat. Very relaxing, especially when it involves painting something over like that. I'm going to blend the edges a bit. Really looks good. I'm going... Oops. Oh, this thing fell down.